Estimating the time, duration, and cost of work order activities is something maintenance planners need to do every day. However, accurate and consistent forecasting is difficult, even for very experienced planners. This is due to a cognitive bias called anchoring, where an individual depends on an initial piece of information in order to form a decision. This was demonstrated in one of IAMTech's courses for iPlan software, which is designed to increase forecasting accuracy using norms-based estimation. Attendees were all planners or STO managers, each with decades of experience. They were split into two groups, and each given the same question with one important difference. Group 1 were asked, was Gandhi older or younger than 35 when he died? Guess his age. Group 2 were asked the same question, only raising the age from 35 to 114. Group 1 had an average estimate of 50 years, whilst Group 2 guessed 81 years. The attendees were shown the results and asked why they thought their answers were so different. They concluded that it was because the question included one piece of varying information, the age. That was the right answer. It turns out that our brains are actually very lazy and take shortcuts whenever possible, trying to work out an answer using any information that is readily available. The experiment was repeated, this time using a more familiar topic for the group, estimating the time it would take to put up and dismantle a scaffold. Again, there were a range of estimates, even amongst these industry veterans. iPlan removes anchoring and triggering the brain's lazy response, which brings standardization and consistent estimation. Discover what iPlan can do for you.